Okay, once again, good evening to all. We are in the first session of, introduction session of a LaTeX for beginners course. This is not a just big session. It is just to know how our course is going and how our things are, our timing and schedules, or all that. First of all, our language will be in English. A few students are from out of state, so that we are just moved on to the global language English. So today session, I just plan to know how the course is going, our main LaTeX for beginners, and just to go through the syllabus, and finally how LaTeX work and all things, just to start our first module itself. Not a big lecture, it is only a couple of minutes, almost 30 minutes maximum. So we are just to begin. First of all, I want to introduce myself. Myself Sabil PK. I am assistant professor in PG Department of Physics, Sullamussalam Science College, Areekode. So this course is planned as of our most of the PG students have the add-on course and another session in LaTeX on Calcutta University syllabus itself. And also most of the students have a lack of confidence in LaTeX, since LaTeX is simply a do-it-yourself mode. So we want to we designed this course itself to work your own self. Okay, you want to make some documents your own. If you want to make a resume or CV, you want to create it through LaTeX. So such modules and assignments are there structured in there in the syllabus itself. So we are just going on. So in the first session, course structure, there's some of the students ask what's the timing, whether it's recording is available or not. Such queries are there frequently coming. So in this after this slide is going, it will be you will be get a clear picture about the whole course itself, and some of the points are also mentioned in our official WhatsApp group. So also some students are there missed in the group, so I want to add them also. So live class will be there twice in a week, which means that in Friday today and the Monday. So all week there is a live session, Friday and Monday, and the live time of the live session will be 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. It is I think it is compatible for all students. If anyone will be unable to attend the course, unable to attend the live session during this time, they can get the recorded session itself, okay, for each session. And platform, as we are on the Google Meet itself now, we will plan to move through the Google Meet itself. And live session will be recorded and shared through registered email ID for a 1 week time. So live recorded and shared through a registered email ID itself, you can watch through its YouTube. And we are designed, our department designed that is the recorded session will be available for only for a 1 week time, 1 week span. After that it will be the link, the video will be privatized. So since it is better to watch within that 1 week time, because if we lag each lecture by 1 week, it will be get difficult for the last time. And after the recorded session can be watched from YouTube itself. No other application or anything not to be installed. And there are 5 modules, and each module have a quiz and assignment. So the 5 modules means one lecture cannot be completed by one module cannot be completed by a single lecture. A couple of lectures, around 4 or 5 lectures will be there in a module. And after completing a module, we will go to a quiz, a simple quiz, to know how you are watching the classes and all things. Simple questions are there, and also an assignment is there. Assignment is most probably it is to make to apply the LaTeX itself, how to run the LaTeX code and how to simply create the document. In different kind of documents are there. Sometimes we want to make a resume or CV, and another sometimes we want to make a simple article, research paper. Another time we want to write a book, we want to write a letter. So each time we are for the 5 modules we are creating a different sections of article types and document types. Also different kind of particular lectures are also, particular components are also there. Figure is one component, and also adding table in LaTeX is another component. It is structured in the each module. So that assignment will be simply doing a LaTeX code and making a LaTeX document in its your own in your own pace. If you can complete it by 1 week time. So you can ask your doubt at any time to me, just WhatsApp or just mail. You can ask any of your queries. So that is about the quiz and assignments. This quiz and assignment score will be evaluated for the completion of our course. As we know, we are we want to score a minimum criteria to qualify the course. Because simply all of them who can attend the who will attend the whole classes and trying to do some assignments will simply qualify the course. And assignment submission can be done through the Google Classroom. Simply all of must aware about the Google Classroom application. It is powered by Google itself. So we provide our notes and other things, our video and other things. Also our assignment will be shared through the Google Classroom, and you can submit the your assignment output through the Google Classroom itself. And one more thing, it is all the application related to this course are Google Meet, YouTube and Google Classroom. All things are related to Google itself. So once again I request all of that you received a mail from myself, because your email ID is very important. If the email ID is given is changed or others, it will be reflect on the course always. So I send a mail to all of them who have registered before 4 p.m. today, and also one more mail will be sent today itself after completing this session, just to verify that your email ID is correct and it is yours. So just take that part off. And another thing is that you can ask your doubt and your queries anytime by mail or WhatsApp. You can just text to me. I will assist you always. It is LaTeX is simply it is a practically thing, just like we are saying about any coding language and any programming language. We are always trying to do it more and more, and we will thoroughly know the theories and all things very well. So in the case of LaTeX, it is very simple. As we created a five documents itself through this course itself, we will get a clear idea about the LaTeX, and it will be very easier for all of you. And through the syllabus there are 5 modules and 1 assignment per module and 1 quiz per module, and at last one main project is there. So I want to add one more thing here. This document, I also shared the syllabus through this mail and WhatsApp group itself. So when we check the syllabus part and this slide itself, all things are that all documents are prepared by LaTeX itself. This slide is prepared in Beamer slides and Beamer document class, and the syllabus is prepared in a article document class. So all of the documents are prepared by me itself in a LaTeX. So here also you can apply any color combination here. I just applied it for not fun. It is just to add that this much features are available in LaTeX itself. Okay, many colors are here. Cyan is there. First color is cyan, and red and orange, green and maroon. Many colors are there. magenta is there. So around many colors are there. We have to just apply the colors. So that is the main feature of LaTeX. Also this main project is there. So main project means at last of the course, at the ending time, we are approaching on the fifth module, we are just implementing a main project, that is to write a like a research journal or article which comprises a figure, a table, and a bibliography and all things, that all we are studied in the each module. So by that, preparing that research journal itself, generally you will get a clear picture about how LaTeX work and how to do a simple document through the LaTeX. So that's the our procedure. We can go through the each module itself. So first module, as I shared in the syllabus document, first module covers the introduction to LaTeX and its applications, basic how to produce a simple document and how to set up a overleaf account. So overleaf, some of the students are also want to know that how we are doing the hands-on sessions, which means that any laptop or computer is needed. So my answer is simple. No need of computer and things. You can just do the code from your phone itself, because Overleaf is a online platform, just like Google Docs and Microsoft Word. So if you want to apply, we want to do the Microsoft Word, we want to install it, the document can be created and all things. But the same thing can be created the Google Docs itself. Okay, so Google Docs, that we want an internet connectivity, so we can apply the all the features of the document creation is there in the Google Docs itself. Like that, LaTeX can be installed through many applications is there, TechLive, TechMix and TechMaker. Many applications are there. That is, the term is related to tech and text things. So we are just focusing on the online platform. Overleaf is a free platform to run the LaTeX code itself. So many packages are there. So we are just moving on to the Overleaf. So at the end of first module, we are just aware about how to create an Overleaf account and how to run a simple code. So hands-on session will be there. One of the lecture will be related on the hands-on session. So creating a simple document in Overleaf, and the reference text are given there. Like any programming language like Python, I am just saying that all of the LaTeX queries and things are, many of the LaTeX things and queries are solved in the internet itself. So it is a better way to refer the internet for a simple for a fast answering, and many texts are also available, but it is better to do it yourself, and error correction will be there, and not at all it is a for the first time we are just got the result and finally all things, not like that. We are just doing the things. Many errors are there. We are trying to solve the errors, and we are again and trying to solve. Finally, it will be a perfect output. Okay. So that's about the first module. And from the second module, we are going to some font styles and sizes, and also some particular lists, tables and figures. How to create a list and a table and figures in LaTeX. And cross-referencing and labeling. Cross-referencing means how to reference a table from my article, or if I mentioned a table from the table 2.1, from the table 3.1. So I want to refer that table that's there. So we can use the cross-referencing and labeling. And hands-on session will be there through the second module topics itself, to go through the various text styles and all, and creating the list, tables and figures. This is the second module, and reference text is there. So the LaTeX Companion by Frank Mittelbach is the good textbook. Also online LaTeX Wikibook is there for all type of formatting techniques. This book is very interesting. Most of the things I read about it. So this is a fundamental book, those who are preferring textbook for reference. Also in the module 3, we are just going through the mathematical notations, that is how the just we are when we are working within a Microsoft Word or Google Docs itself, we want to apply a simple equation, just omega, okay, or simply E is equal to h cross omega. It is a basic physics equation. So E is equal to h cross omega. We want to type the letter E and equal to, and then we want to go to the insert or symbol page. We want to choose that h bar or h cut symbol from there, and also omega symbol. Again, after inserting the h bar symbol, then omega symbol will be there. So in the LaTeX, it is we didn't want to bother about the where is the symbol and where all the lists are there. We are just typing h bar. Okay, h bar. If we are typing h bar, it will be LaTeX will take it as a command, and it will output will be an h cut. Okay, and also an omega. If we type the omega, LaTeX will consider it as a code, and it will give as a output as omega. Okay, so simply we can go to just typing and all, and the LaTeX will consider all the output in the particular format and also in a standard format. So those who are working in the LaTeX, in the presentation itself, if they saw our slide or they notice our slide, they will definitely say that, oh, it is prepared in the LaTeX itself. This is the simply thing. It is a scientific standard thing. That's why we are going through it. And hands-on session will be there, creating many mathematical expressions and equations. It is for a general Word document. It will be very difficult for structuring a high integral equation and fractional equations. So it will be very helpful all of you to study the LaTeX and preparing the mathematical expressions. So its reference texts are also given here. LaTeX Wikibook is again here for mathematical expressions. And in the module 4, we are more focusing on the bibliography and citations. As we know, when we are writing a book or in a research article, many or itself a project report itself or abstract submission or anything, we want to refer something. We want to add some references here there. So at the final part of our document, there will be a bibliography, and we want to cite that each document in the document itself. So LaTeX have a symbol structure for it. So we are just going through the introduction to BibTeX, and BibTeX is a module that we can run through the LaTeX itself. That we can add any book or reference in the particular format like APA and other formats, and we can call it in the anywhere in the document just by rough command that we will be discussed in the 4th module. And in-text citations and bibliographic styles are also there. Different kind of bibliographic styles are there, and hands-on session will be there. For a document, we want to add a bibliography and citing that each references in the text, within the text itself or within the figure or table or anywhere in the that our document itself. So that's the 4th module, and reference text are given there. And for the last final topic, we will be go to something about the advanced topic, and we are just customizing our page layout and styles using some additional features. We are also working with the collaborative writing in Overleaf. As just Google Docs, we can add any number of email IDs to the Google Docs, and we can collaboratively, anyone can edit in that Google Docs and all things, any Google Sheet and all. So like that, Overleaf provide such a feature that if two people can work together for in the same document, two people in the same topic for making a project report or project presentation, so they can make a they can collaboratively write that LaTeX code and run there in the at the same time. So that's discussed in the 5th module, and a hands-on session will be there with some layouts and styles, how to style an A4 paper, how to structure a layout of the A4, or how to style the margins and all things. That will be discussed in the hands-on session. Also, as I mentioned, multiple users, collaborative writing use with multiple users on overleaf, also discussed in the 5th module. And finally, there will be a final project. Just approaching the 5th module, we will be assigned a final project to create a simple journal or article. That is, as we discussed, all the components of each module will be there. That page style will be there, and simple document class will be there, and figure is there, table is there, and bibliography is there, referencing, and some text styles will be there, and margins and all things will be there. So it will be just a step-by-step procedure, and finally, by doing the final project, you will be a very good, you will be very good in LaTeX itself. And we are just beginning the 1 or 3 slides, just how, why and how LaTeX works. So why LaTeX? It makes beautiful documents, especially mathematics, and it was created by scientists also, for scientists. Okay, so it is a part of some scientists, as they doing their PhD. They created the LaTeX for their self to make simple documents and structure. Then it will be developed by many a large community. And also, like any Python programming language, a large and active community is there for LaTeX. If you ask a query, a doubt about the LaTeX package or anything, it will be within a short time you will get an answer. You will get the correct answer. That means a large active community is there, and it is a powerful. You can extend it to any mode. Like you can create your own CV, resume, and your own research article, research journal, and a book to write a whole book, and a presentation like Beamer presentation, and many spreadsheet you can make, any type of document you can make. And how it works, I want to add this 1 or 3 points here in this lecture, and we will discuss more about in detail in the next lecture. So to write the how it works, we want to write the some simple commands is there. So we are just putting that command, and while we are running, the LaTeX will give the output. Okay, so the LaTeX program processes your text and commands to produce a beautifully formatted document. Okay, so here is an example. The rain in Spain falls. That a code is added there, \emph mainly on the plane. So it is to make the mainly to become an italic. So we are just typing that code itself. So LaTeX will convert that code part /emph to italics itself. So this is the how LaTeX works. We are just focusing on our content, and LaTeX will beautifully created and our document itself. Okay, so that's how it works. And finally, this is our end of our first lecture. This is just an introduction lecture. It is how we are proceeding, and how we are just want to go through the syllabus. And you can ask your queries at any time, and you can ask any type